Hello and welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for the notifications tab. The notifications of SupraScoop can be controlled here to set who gets emails regarding their account notifications. We're going to take a look at how to do this in the following tutorial. So for now, let's just get right into the video. The notification section is reserved for account managers, and it allows you to specify which users or which emails on the account get notifications, important account notifications. At the moment it's limited to me, but you can give it to any other user, and then when an account notification comes through by email, these people will receive it as well. You can turn this off entirely if you want to, but we highly recommend that you keep this on for at least one user, preferably the admin. And that's really it for the notifications. There will be more types of notifications in the future, but currently this is all that we have and all that is required at the moment. If you want to confirm your changes, simply click confirm there. Your account notifications will be updated and any future emails will go to these people. That's it for the notifications tutorial. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.